Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back everyone to a brand new video. In this one, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I've been able to make money in meme coins without trading them the traditional way. Instead of scanning and looking for coins to buy, I focus on finding a narrative, launching it properly, and then setting everything up for me to cash out after. Since I switched to deving, bro, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars and I had to risk nothing at all because anyone can dev meme coins. That's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. I will be keeping the strategy right now. This number did not happen overnight. It came from launching multiple coins, all consistently on repeat on Solana. Today, I'm showing you the exact process behind it, and I will do an example for you guys. Now, trading in 2026 has become way harder because there's a bunch of rugs. For example, when you buy a coin, it just goes to zero because the dev liquidates his entire position. And the truth is that 95% of all coins on chain are going to do the exact same pattern. That's exactly why I completely switched to deving, because now I am the one who is doing all this. I am the one launching and then cashing out and then rinse and repeating this method. I launch around 2 to 10 coins a day and I bag around 2k to 5k a day from the profits, and I do that over and over again. Even people like Orangey, Cupsy, all these people are saying that deving is way more profitable than trading, and that's the truth. Launching a meme coin costs practically nothing. It's like around $0, not including the blockchain fees, and then you can just find a narrative, launch it, create it, and then dump it for some profits. Now, there is a specific strategy when it comes to actually being a professional dev, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I will be gatekeeping everything. I do not sell a course, okay? Everything in this video is going to be right here. I will show you how to find a narrative, launch it, get attention on it, and then I will even do a live example all in this video. And by the way, bro, everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please, I am not a financial advisor. I am just going to educate you on how it works. Now, when someone launches meme coins for their first time, the platform they almost always consider first to make a coin is Pump.Fun. It's the most well-known name in this space, so it feels like the safest option to make coins. But that's where people go wrong. Pump.Fun is heavily overcrowded. New tokens are deployed non-stop right now, and most of them lose traction within minutes. It's hard to make consistent gains when it's fucking oversaturated. Now, if you're still launching here, you are just wasting your time, bro. Let me get that out of the way. And there's also a critical drawback. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and they take a portion from your creator fees, so you are losing potential from your very start of your launch. Now, the real goal is to get your coin in front of the Radium DEX without going through the Pump.Fun bonding curve. Because if you guys may know, to reach the Radium DEX, your coin needs to reach a $50,000 goal on Pump.Fun, right? And that takes way too long, let's just be honest here. That's why I like to make my coins on Create Meme.io directly, because every single coin, okay? Every single coin goes to Radium when you launch them here, and most people do not know about that. That's why it's so untapped. Launching coins on Radium means more attention on your coin, more buyers, more everything. You guys will see because I will do an example. That's why people are gatekeeping this launch pad though. Now, to dev an actual coin using Create Meme.io, you have two different ways. The first way is to create a whole new coin from scratch on the main page. Now, if you want to make a coin from scratch, you have to make sure that you have a goddamn good narrative. I like to go on X and I like to look for narratives here. Some people like to go on Discord or Reddit, but it's up to you, right? I like to go for anything that is trending. For example, there's a war going on in between the United States and Iran, and that could be turned into $1 million coin, for example. But once you have a narrative, just create a name, create a symbol, it's up to you. Add a quick logo for your coin, it's really important, and then after these steps are done. But bro, you might be wondering what I do personally. I do not create coins custom made. I actually vamp them, which means I use the copy trending coins tab right here. All these coins are all going viral right now because they're all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun. They have a good narrative, they have a bunch of buyers, they have everything that is required to have a viral coin, which means if you copy a coin here to Radium, you have a high chance of gaining a bunch of fucking buyers in your coin and even surpass the original coin that you copied. You guys will see how it works. I personally love to copy coins. I will do an example. Now guys, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is launching a coin live and then seeing how much profits we can make and then cashing it out actually live in this video. Okay, it might flop, it might do well, we never know. Now first of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, right? Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. Just try one, right? I'm gonna copy the Stanley coin. It's like a animal or some shit, I don't know, whatever. Click copy to Radium, wait for your Phantom Wallet to show up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then confirm, and that will officially make your coin, right? It will copy it on chain. Just wait. Boom. And if I go on SoScan for some proof, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, bam, 10 seconds ago it was live, Stanley coin, everything is legit. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create the liquidity pool officially onto Radium, and then it will show up here, and then a bunch of people will be able to buy your coin. That is the shortcut to Radium. It's where you control your coins. Now for the amount of Stanley coins, just tap on 90%, right? Once you get more profitable and you stack up your portfolio, you can understand this, right? And then change it to your liking. But for now, bro, let's put 90% right under for the amount of sold to pair. This is really easy. It's just to first buy inside your own coin. You will be buying your own coin before everyone else because that will reserve some supply into your wallet, and then you will be able to profit from that supply, right? It's really important. But you are not losing anything here. The 0.3 SOL that I'm putting right here is going to come back in your wallet once you cash out on your coin. Okay, so it's not like you really spent it, right? It's coming back later. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom Wallet to just show up, just wait, then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, and then confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and boom, the Stanley coin is officially live. You should be able to find it on chain, and your profits are going to be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you do click on the refresh button once again, well, that will refresh your pools, and then boom, our profits went up to $168 because people are aping in our coin. They are liking the narrative, and that's exactly why we copy coins, because we like to attract people in our coin. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on anything that you want. Let me go on full screen to see the coin. Wait for your Phantom Wallet to show up in a couple of seconds. Alright, it popped up, and as you guys can see, we're starting to get a bit of traction in our coin. Bang, 1.4k market cap. Oh my god, a bunch of people are buying in. We should be up like $150 by now. These might be delayed buys though, because it had to load in, but okay, someone sold for a lot. Dude, don't worry about it, bro. Do not be emotional. We made this coin for literally $0, and the thing with Radium, okay, is that you have to wait for people to buy in. I told you, bang, $110 worth of buys. That is the fucking power of Radium. Just wait for your coin to go up and up and up. More people are going to ape in, more people are going to see your coin, and that's exactly why we copy coins to Radium. Bang, $120 buy right here from 2 different people. That's exactly what we're looking for. Bang, a $74 buy. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. Alright guys, I think right now is the perfect time to cash out, bro. I don't want to wait any longer. Let's cash out. Come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button once again. And as you guys can see here, bang, we are going to receive around 1.90 $94,000, which is not too shabby, right? 1.9 thousand. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, then wait for the phantom to show up. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around 22 Solana. Click on confirm. And just like that, bro, finally we made a quick bag. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, bang, I received the entire payout. It's instant in your Phantom wallet. Now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want. Now it's all about consistency. Maybe on the first coin you might make 20 bucks, the second 100, the third 0, the fourth 10,000, 2,000. You never know, bro. And that's what makes deving so fun. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord and Telegram for all the giveaway info. Good luck to everyone who enters right now.